Hey, welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today I will show you how to make pasta. Here are the ingredients. For mushrooms, some people like to just cut it and cook. I personally like to peel the skin, wash them, and then cut. For each peppers, you can cut it any size you want. You can go creative. You can be bigger size or smaller size. Remember, the size you choose is how long it will require you to cook. Here I have chose to cut it thinly to make it easier and faster. For broccoli, you can separate the branches, and again, same thing. It depends on the size. If you are a broccoli lover, you'll like chunks of it. If you're not, you'll try to cut it as small as you can. Completely up to you. Again, go creative. You'll notice my portions are always more than what I show under the recipe or the ingredients. That is because I have a lot of people who have become my daily tasters of the food as soon as I'm done. Now slice the zucchini, same thing, you can cut it in any size you want. And also remember, these are the vegetables I've chose for this video. It doesn't necessarily mean these are your favorite vegetables. So you can always substitute them to whatever you'd like to eat in your pasta. In a deep frying pan, add oil and garlic and fry the garlic for a bit before adding broccoli. You'll notice I'm trying to figure out how much to pour in because there's not many broccoli lovers. I'm the only one probably going to eat all of this. So yes, I'm going to put a tiny bit here and maybe save the rest for later. Now cook this for half a minute because broccolis take longer to cook. It's always a good idea to cook it a little bit before you add anything else. Same thing with carrot. You notice I grated the carrot. Usually you can slice it in, but the only thing is it takes longer to cook. So if you are slicing a bigger portion of the carrot, make sure carrot and broccoli add it in, cook for half a minute before adding the rest of the vegetables. Now add the rest of the vegetables and stir for a minute. You can sprinkle some pepper, salt to taste, and cook until it's cooked to your taste. And what I mean by that, some people like raw vegetables, so they won't cook for too long. Some people like it medium, some people like it completely cooked. They would not eat it otherwise. So the longer you keep it on the stove, the longer it's gonna cook. So again, it's up to you how long you want to cook it for. Now start adding the Alfredo and do it slowly at a time. You don't want it to be over liquidy. So you want to make sure it's just perfect for your taste. Now add the tomato slowly and mix. Add your panini noodles. This is the noodles that I've chosen for this recipe. And cook it for approximately 2 minutes before you're ready to serve. Once you're about to serve, you can add shredded cheese for flavor and dry parsley, which is what I've done here because I love the taste and texture. Taste and texture of it. Well, here you have it, veggie pasta for vegetarians. Shrimp Alfredo pasta I made because my mom loves shrimps. She doesn't like tomato sauce, so again, that is another optional. You can choose to put tomato sauce and Alfredo together, which is a nice creation, or you can just leave it alone as tomato, or you can leave it alone as Alfredo. So for the veggie pasta, I use the both because I love it. For shrimp Alfredo pasta, which I also made, same ingredients, same process, but in the end, I just put in the shrimp and I put in Alfredo sauce. The other one is a chicken mixed pasta. Again, same thing, both noodles are in there, and all I did in the end is with the whole veggie mixture, I just added in meat, and that is an option. You can put chicken, you can put beef or anything else you want as a meat on your pastas. I hope you had a great time watching as I did cooking. Stay tuned for more. Until then, see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.